Here's a cross in the pasture here. I'm just looking back up toward the house. And heading over to the sheep area where my chicken coop is out in the middle of the sheep pasture. You got chickens and turkeys back here. And it looks like I'll have to come back later and get the snow off the netting. There's the coop, and it's got a real heavy netting over it, but the snow is pulling it all down right now. I'm going to have to go in here and bump it off. So I'll have to shut the phone off and put it in my pocket so it doesn't get... Oh, wow. The snow really collected on it. Hi, guys. Yep. Look, it's nice it's not frozen. They got plenty of water, but I got to go in there and take